If clean lines and modern art are your style, then a contemporary rug is right up your alley. Contemporary rugs are anything that's not based on an older Persian, Turkish, or Chinese design. They are similar to modern or abstract art or based on an older design or pattern. Wool is used in most of these rugs, but silk is often employed in the accent colors. When we think of modern rugs, we think of Tibetan rugs. Tibetan rugs use some of the best wool in the world. Nepalese rugs are called Tibetan and are made by Tibetan refugees in Nepal using Tibetan wool and a Tibetan-style knot. Quality Indian contemporary rugs use New Zealand wool and replace the silk accents with viscose extracted from bamboo. Indian-made rugs are usually good rugs for a good price. Some people like traditional furniture in homes, and some like a more modern contemporary style. It's the same with rugs. I often hear, "This looks like my grandmother's rug." For some people that's good, but for some it's bad. Contemporary rugs give you something new and fresh, and they can blend with traditional rugs if chosen carefully. Modern and contemporary rugs run the spectrum from wild to subdued. Colors tend to be more fashion-forward, with gray and blue very popular currently, along with neutrals. Red may be the most underrepresented color because it's so common in traditional rugs. The quality of a good modern rug makes it a great value. These rugs will last for decades and are very stain repellent and wear resistant. Tibetan rugs made by trusted companies and artisans such as Tamarian, Tufinkian, the Tibet Rug Company, and Wool and Silk provide the majority of our contemporary rugs.